Fayette County car accident lawyer Shane Smith is asked the question, what is a trust?
Once you start doing your research on an estate plan, you'll hear a lot about trusts. And a lot of times clients will ask, what exactly is a trust? And it's really a separate legal entity set up to take care of your assets and manage them for the benefit of whatever you decided when you set up the trust. Generally, what most people think in their experience about a trust is when they have minor children. And they go see a lawyer and they're like, hey, you know, if we die, me and my spouse, we want everything to go to our kids. Well, if your kid is 11 years old, they're probably not going to be ready to inherit maybe $200,000 or $100,000. That's where a trust comes into place. So we set up a trust. We have your life insurance payable to that trust set up for their benefit. And it sits in there. Generally, the manager of the trust is somebody who you consider very responsible. It can be a family member. It can be a friend. Some banks will do it for you. Even some law firms will do it. Generally, we don't recommend you use us, but we can help you reach out to somebody. When looking at a family member, a follow-up question I frequently get asked is, if Aunt Susan is taking care of my children, does she need to be the one who manages the trust? And the answer to that's going to depend on Aunt Susan. And is she great with the kids? Yes, that's why you're giving them to her. Is she great with money? That I don't know. If she's good with money, maybe it makes a lot of sense for her to do it. If she's not good with money, then we definitely don't want her managing the trust, because she may take the money and spend it on who knows what, but things that you don't feel are right. So we might make the manager of the trust a separate person. Maybe it's your brother Rick. Maybe it's another Aunt Sally or something like that. But they can manage the trust for you. And that way, whoever has your children has to make requests to them to money for their upkeep, for their well-being, to spend on clothes and that sort of thing. And that's one way to separate this issue so that your kids get the best care and love they have, and your estate, which is the money set up to raise them, gets the best love and care that you can have for them.